Minister, PSS of fellow secretaries, the OSAG, colleagues from DSP, DBT, CSIR and MoES, and press and media. Very good morning to all of you. I'll be presenting briefly about 5-6 minutes what are the major achievements have done by Ministry of Earth Sciences. Before going to that, I want to say that the Ministry of Earth Science mandate is to do science and translate science to the services for the benefit of society. So our major things are service oriented. So the first objective is to provide services, and the second objective is to explore and develop technology for harnessing living and non-living resources, especially the ocean. And the third objective is explore the polar regions, especially cryospheric component. Next slide. So in that aspect, in the first one is basically in the atmospheric section, what we have done in improvements in weather and climate. This bar diagram shows that basically we started from milliseconds or few seconds lightning, which is a forecast. Earlier it was not available. Now, because thanks to government, it has installed more than 100 lightning location system. Because of that, now we are able to provide the lightning location services, number one. Number two, the cyclone. Also, we are able to improve the forecast more than 30%, not only intensity, but also in the track and the landfall. Huge savings because of the life property and maybe the property saving, as well as the not required to mobilize major mitigation measures. And the third aspect is short-term forecast. It is up to few days, and the few days forecast also we have improved significantly because of the various models and observing systems. And the fourth one is the extended range forecast, which was not available earlier because it is only for the next month how it will be. That we give the weekly information. Earlier it was not there. Now we are able to provide the extended week, because this is very important for the agriculture people, what crop they have to show and other purpose. It is newly introduced in the recent decade. And the seasonal prediction, basically earlier we were telling only from the statistical model how much rainfall will happen all over India. But now we are using the dynamical physics-based model. With that, we are able to say each spatial how it will be vary and how much we are able to make it. With this, we are able to improve the accuracy of the forecast. Also, we are able to give the spatial granular information. And the last one is basically the, of course, last but decadal forecast. Only 4 countries in the world is able to provide the decadal forecast. India is one among them. That is, we are able to start the decadal forecast. That means next decade, how it will be, how the monsoon will be, how the weather pattern will be. All this information we are able to provide from the decadal forecast. And the last one is a climate. It is about next to 2100 years how it will be. So we are also providing India, first time we have joined in IPCC report. So our models is one of the IPCC finalization report. These are the various temporal scale we are able to improve major things. And the last one is basically not only for the spatial resolution, but also in the, temporal resolution, spatial resolution also we are able to improve. This is just, I was again mentioning about various things in granular things, how much accuracy we have improved, and I don't want to go into detail. Next one. And the weather, not only for the weather forecast, but also we have improved the air quality monitoring, and also we have made weather modification. From the weather modification, how much we can enhance the precipitation. Roughly we have documented about 18% only we can enhance the artificial cloud making and other things. And also we are able to improve the HPC and observations. Because of improvement, because of more funding, because of more number of observations, because of HPC, we are able to improve various forecast systems. And also we are able to make a thunderstorm, and also we are able to quantitative precipitation forecast also we have improved very significantly. Next slide. Coming back to the ocean, of course, we are able to improve, basically we are trying to go towards the blue economy component of the ocean sector. For that, we are able to map how much energy is available from the ocean. We are able to map it. In India, almost roughly about 9.2 lakh terawatt of power is available per annum. So we are trying to tap that energy. And potential fishing zone. Earlier, we used to give the mass, where the fish mass is available. Now we are able to provide the species-specific forecast for the various states, where thereby our user, it has been almost 7 times have increased. And also we are able to give the forecast of the ocean parameters, various parameters, wave, wind, currents, and to the various stakeholders, including shipping, port and harbor and other people. And also we are continuously monitoring seawater quality among the all around the ocean, and we are able to monitor various things. And important thing is one of the significant thing is a tsunami early warning system, which has been one of the unique in the best tsunami warning system in the world that has been recognized by IOC. So that is also we have established in the recent years. Next slide. Apart from that, we are able to map the digital ocean, and this digital ocean is various observation in situ or radars or satellite or model. All this observation we put into the digital ocean, wherein any depth you go, any time you go, you will be able to see various parameters that we have made it a digital ocean. And also we have made recently the SNOPS, that is basically the operating system. We have established one of the state-of-the-art operation system. Global ocean we are able to access at any point from Hyderabad. And also we are able to make biodiversity surveys under the Deep Ocean Mission. And also we have strengthened the coastal resilience through various measures, marine spatial planning, like urban planning. We are able to make marine spatial planning, and also shoreline, how it is changes over the period. All these things we are able to document it. Next slide. And also we develop various technology, either it is Samudrayan or the ocean observation system or the water desalination of water or mining machine, or to make what is called a natural based solution for beach creations or any other coastal ecosystem. Next slide. And also exploring poles, we are able to make various teleconnections. We are able to relate the polar connections with the tropical regions. Majorly what we have done is we have made Arctic policy and also Antarctic bill. It was waiting for long years, long decades. Now we are able to make a polar bill, that is especially Antarctic bill. And also we are able to make Arctic is India's scenario we are able to create in the Arctic. Next slide. And in the coming to the solid earth, in the seismic network, we have increased from 84 to 168. Thereby we are able to monitor any earthquake less than, more than 3, within 3 minutes we are able to monitor. And also we have done major micro-zonation of major cities where we have to build and what we need to, we should not build in that aspect. Next slide. And also we have made a drip drilling. It is about just whether we want to know whether we can get any precursor for earthquake. For that we have made a 3 kilometer deep drill. And with that we have instrumented various monitoring mechanisms we have installed. We are trying to understand is there any precursor is available or not. Also there are about many geological things. It is a curiosity driven questions we are able to answer from various aspects. And new program we have started, it is submarine groundwater discharge and various other aspects. Next slide. And of course in the last 10 years we are able to make many of the user spectrum. Because earlier only few users were there, now entire ministry, and I think we are part of life of every individual as well as every ministry. That is what we have created in the last 10 years or so. It is all because of the, again I am telling it is because of the funding and observation and understanding. I think from 2014 we have a funding of 1,600 crore. Now we are having 3,650 crore per year. That is what it has been able to achieve this quantum output. Next slide. Of course, these are various apps are available. Maybe once you can go through various apps and digital infrastructure we have created over the periods. Next slide. And this is just vision one for each sphere. Atmosphere we want to go for weather forecast management. Ocean we want to go for double the GDP of blue economy. And the polar region we want to play a lead role and geostrategically important player. And the geoscience we want to go for early earthquake warning. And for this we want to observe more, understand more and predict various models we develop so that we can produce various services. So our objective is do science and translate science to the service for the benefit of society. Thank you very much.